Today is wash day. Little less than a half a mile walk to a place that washes your clothes. They're called lavanderias here in Mexico, lavanderias, and it's usually in a house or just a small part of the front of a house. They have a couple washing machines and that's their business. Nice thing about it, you bring your clothes and then you come back the next day, and not only did they wash it, they dried it in a dryer, and they also fold all the clothes and put it in a nice bag. I bring my own bag, so they just stick it back in this bag, which is fine. Some places even have a service if you needed things ironed. They will do that for an extra fee. They're all over the place. Even when I remember one time I was in Mexico City staying at a hotel downtown, and I was there for a while, so I just asked at the desk, where's the lavanderia? And about 4 blocks away was a little place in a house. Sometimes it's a lot cheaper than if you're staying at a fancy hotel and you use their service. You may have to walk a few blocks, but it's up to you. Anyway, that's what I'm up to today. From there, I gotta go back into Veracruz. If you saw my last video, it was about setting up entertainment for a troupe of dancers that are coming for a 10-day trip here in Veracruz that I put together for them. And they're taking some dance classes, even though they do that professionally. They are taking some other dance classes here with a dance instructor. And I need to find a place that has a wood floor, because the traditions here are that they wear these hard-soled shoes and they have to be able to hear the tapping on the wood floor. So tile doesn't work, carpeting doesn't work, and most of the salons in the hotels, they just have carpeted meeting rooms. So I've got some ideas, I'm checking it out. I don't have any contacts, so we're gonna see what happens. Okay, let's turn the corner here, because I'm almost to the lavanderia. All right, let me show you what it looks like up here. Coming up. Hola, buenos días. So as you saw in the photograph, they actually charge you by the kilo. So they have a little scale there, a little basket, you put it in, scale then tells them how many kilos. I had 5 kilos, and so that's going to cost me 100 pesos. 100 pesos is about $6. So $6 to wash my clothes, US. It's not bad. Obviously I don't have a washer and dryer, but then again, why? I can just pay this when I need it. And small stuff, underwear, socks, a lot of times I just wash myself. So I don't have to necessarily make that a part of the kilos here. Sheets, shirts, pants, things like that. Yeah, of course. I have washed it in the past by hand. Whoa, hi there. Welcome to Mexico. Anyway, I have washed those big items like sheets in the past in the sink, and that's a pain in the butt. So I'd rather just pay somebody to do that. Oh, I forgot something. I forgot to tell her not to put any fabric softener into it. She puts this fabric softener in it that really smells. So all my clothes just reek. Oops, we gotta pass the dog again. Anyway, all right, let me go back. Okay, that's taken care of. She's not going to put any fabric softener in there, that smelly stuff. Oh, I forgot the very first time when I first got back here, and I brought clothes to her, and my whole bedroom smelled of fabric softener from the washed clothes that she had done for me. And I had to literally air my clothes out. Okay, time to walk to the main street, catch a bus. This is turning out to be a very successful day. made it downtown and went to this place. It's the City Museum, Veracruz City Museum. I talked to one person, then I talked to another person who is the director, assistant director to culture here in Veracruz. In talking with her, I mentioned that I was trying to find a space for my group to have classes with this instructor from the capital city, but one of the requirements they needed was that the space have a wood floor, which is hard to find. And she made a phone call, and then she showed me a photo, and there was a theater, a small little theater that's not far from the downtown area. She said the stage is made of wood. She said they could hold classes on the stage. So that worked out really great. I came and found out what I needed to accomplish today here in the center of the city of Veracruz. So I'm gonna head back to my apartment. I'm hungry, it's time for lunch.